Hi friends, welcome to SS Stock Alerts channel. In this video, we will talk about the weekly breakouts, how to pick the weekly breakouts from our weekly breakout scanner. Just click on the scans and go to advanced. So if you are already in the advanced, just click here patterns and click on weekly breakout stocks. So here this advanced pattern mainly consists of three patterns. This is highly momentum. So this is nothing but Mark Minervini pattern, and this is a resistance breakout on weekly time frame, and there is a green strength candle on a weekly time frame. So these three combination stocks only we will be getting in here. So here we have a 117 stocks. It might be different for you. So just want to make sure, just click on the filter, and I used to keep minimum price with the 50 rupees. So I don't want to study less than 50 rupees stocks, and the volume you can keep with the minimum 1 lakh, or you can keep with the minimum 50,000. So don't go below less than 50,000 average volume, right? And just click on apply. So you will get the stocks list here. So now what we want to do is we want to analyze which stocks are good. So we want to pick some good stocks for next week. So I'm clicking here, click on. So first thing is click on weekly, so that our chart will be in the weekly. Since this chart is small, so I want to go into the bigger view. So there is a full screen feature. You can click on the full screen, and it will be coming like this. So by default it will be this all higher high, higher low points will be enabled for everyone, and this is a 20 SMA. Okay, so here from here we will try to see whether we will pick the stock or not. So if you see this pattern, right, last 1 week it went 30 percentage. So if it is like if any stock went more than 30%, like 15 percentage, usually I will not pick it, because there will be more number of high chances either to consolidate or a reversal, at least half of the this candle size. So since the candle size is big, so I cannot afford this much half of the a candle size as my SL. So that's why we will not pick a with the good height. So and which has written 30 percentage, like more than 15 percentage, usually will not pick that stock. So that's why we are not picking here, and we'll go for a next stock. So our favorite pattern is from 52 weeks low. It has to run the 100 percentage where we are selecting, and there should be some consolidation here, and a breakout should happen with the recent high breakout. So this is a recent high point. The breakout should happen here. So if you want to pick the stock, right, we have to see such pattern breakout, right, and with the good volume. So okay, so here, and since it already ran this much, we will not pick this stock. We'll go for a next one. So here the Genesis. So if you see the 52 weeks low, so almost some 20 rupees, 20 to 25, and current is 140. So almost 400 percentage it has ran from 52 weeks low. So it is a good stock, and our favorite pattern is the stock has to run from 100 percentage, minimum 100 percentage from 52 weeks low, and there should be some pullback. Again it has to, in the pull, once the pullback is done, it has to break, it has to give the breakout with the recent high. So always whenever you are seeing this type of pattern, this is our favorite pattern. And so the volume should, the key factors is this should not have any top wick. So first thing, it does not have any top wick here. Another, it should have a highest volume when we comparing with this one, right, the next candles. So this is the highest volume. At least you can see from here to here, this is the highest volume, and there is a high chances the stock can reach here like a 360. So almost it can reach 360. It's not like it cannot done in one month or 1 week. You have to give the time. So it will take some 6 months, like when you are giving a longer uh, targets, right, you have to give it, you have to allow longer time. So we will just click on here and save as image. So you can download this image to your machine, And like once we are done with this analysis, right, then we will go to the downloaded images and we will review them. So see again another example. So the stock has run more than 100% here, and there is a pullback. On the pullback, make sure that the red volumes are not high as much as green candles, like green volumes. So the pullback has to come and it has to give the breakout. So we will buy only here, we will not touch here also, we will buy only here. If you have buy here, and you should, yeah, you should be achieving like 154, that is easily. So we will look for such stocks here and just go on. So again I want to show here. So again same pattern, it ran and it given the pullback, again it given a breakout. So at this place we want to buy, not here, only we want to buy here. So likewise you can go through the remaining stocks. Since already I have downloaded the stocks which I have shortlisted for today, so I will open them and will show. So I just closed it. So I have downloaded almost some 30 stocks here. So 30 stocks. So if you see, this is the from, so let me just open here and I'll show you. So I have downloaded Ajanta Pharma, and so mostly these patterns, the highest volume and the breakouts, I would have shortlisted here. So the next thing is, so once we have shortlisted, right, if we have more than 10 or 20 stocks shortlisted, how we have to pick the top 4. So that's how we'll go. So to do that, simply once you are done with this, right, you just keep your list and go to our site again, click here, and there is a sector analysis. So what is this sector analysis? We want to pick the best stocks from trending sector, not from the any other sector. Okay, for that one we'll go for the sector analysis. Just log in so you can access the sector analysis then. So I'm just clicking on sector analysis. So here I can see, just click on show as a table. So you can see the list of stocks with the sector here, and this is the sector name. These are the sector stock names from this sector. And what is this count is, so there are total 97 stocks are there in the this sector, and out of 97, 19 stocks have given a breakout in this week. So that's why 19 divided by this 97, and the percentage of this breakout stocks is 20% in this So this is the percentage of success stocks, or you can click on the percentage here. So based on the percentage, sector will be starting here. So if you see, the more number of stocks are available in the software sector. So I think this is the trending sector here, because 20% of stocks has given a breakout from total number of stocks. So now we want to identify, like already we have downloaded some stocks. So we want to see that stock is available in software sector. Let me open my weekly breakout folder so that we can see. So here I have a Genesis, right? And from this, like from these stocks, I have only Genesis I have selected. So already this is a trending sector, and I have selected one stock from this sector. And now I will go to that stock and we'll see. So since I did not choose 2 or 3 stocks from the same sector, so I no need to compare them with the other one, right? So it has a high volume on breakouts and low volume on the pullback. And we have seen this targets and promoter holding is increasing. So we have seen all these things. Now the next question is, so when we have since we have selected only one stock from this sector, that is fine. And when you come here, right, and there is a paper sector where the stocks are like 4 stocks are giving breakout, and like this star paper and WST CST paper also both looks good. to me. So what I have done is I have downloaded both of them, and we want to see, take a look. Okay, so this is a star paper, and it is also given a breakout and with a good volume, but other one also given a breakout with a good volume. So now which stock to select? Now this is how I have did. So first thing is open them in the our SS stock alerts. So I will open the WST, the paper. What is the name? Just open it here. Okay, first go to overview and check what is the percentage it has written from 52 weeks low. So it is already 100 percentage up from its 52 week low, so that is fine. So first check is done. So the next check is how much distance from its 52 week high. So it is just 5 percentage. So whenever there is a breakout, it can easily hit that new 52 weeks high. So this is also okay. So always here always look more than at least 100 percentage or 90 to 100 percentage. The distance should not be more than 20 percentage to 52 weeks high. So just make sure that these two criteria are there, and go to volume and look at whether this volume is good or not. So here almost 4 lakhs 8 lakhs, so the volume is good, and this is a good liquid stock. You can go ahead and look for the fundamentals, right? In the latest quarter, this stock is increased by 0.9 percentage. Like the promoter is increased 0.9 percentage. That means there is some information about this stock. And still, if you want to go ahead with the quarterly results on anything, so just click on this fundamentals data. So which will since our side doesn't have this fundamentals, we are just going with the screener. See the last quarter, 576 crores, and this quarter it has 937 crores. So the fantastic quarterly results. So definitely it will be a good one. And EPS, if you see, earnings per share, last quarter is minus 0.44 and the latest quarter is 11. So this is a fantastic quarterly results, and even promoter also holding increase. So apart from that, I want to make another point. So if you see here, and you can make note of this promoter holding percentage. So this looks good to me, and now what I have to do is I have to open the star paper again and look for comparing. So first thing is, if I am seeing star paper, right, it is holding is 45 percentage. So this is less than the 50 percentage. That is one thing. And there is a pledge. These guys has already pledged 47 percentage of their shares into the pledging. Like they have this put this shares for a loan. So right. So this means it is not a good one. Whenever they have a pledge, it is not a good one. So when we are comparing with this and the other one, right, so definitely other one is good. So if you want to still go ahead and look for these factors, and it has written only 87 percentage from 52 weeks low, the other one which has given 100 percentage. So definitely I would go with the other one. So that's how you can look whenever any two picks are there from same sector. Go to that each uh, stock info and look at the stock info, this one, and go to the fundamentals and look the results. If the fundamentals both are looks good, and go for the quarterly results, and you can do the further things. So that's how I selected the other one instead of star paper. And if you go to the next sector, right, so we have covered the star this sector. And the next metal sector is already is performing good for last few months. So if any stocks appearing for metal stocks sector out of breakout, just look for here. So I have selected steel. You can see I have selected here. So steel X India, we'll just open it. See, right, so there is a long base. There is a long base. So it is almost from 2018 it is down, and recently it started upturn, and there is some consolidation. There is a pullback, and again now it is giving a breakout. So usually our target will be
like next, since here we don't have higher high, higher low points, so keep 10 to 15% as your first target, and next 10 to percentage your second target, and make sure that you have a risk reward is 1:2. So, and go for the next stock, right? So another interesting fact is, so I have selected when I come to here, so I came to machinery sector where I have downloaded multiple stocks from a single one. I have selected Electra and GNS Power and Vito, HPL. So 4 or 5 stocks I have downloaded in the first step. So you can see HPL and other things, Electra, you can see another thing, Janus Power also it is there. So but we cannot buy all those four stocks right from the same sector. We want to identify the best one. So do the same thing again, open this first any stock here, Electra or a HPL, and comparing with the other one. So by the comparison, based on the fundamental, based on the 52 weeks performance, uh, this uh, this is the one good. So I just selected this one. So likewise you can also do the same analysis and you can pick your stocks instead of depending on us. So hope this video helps you. And another thing is, once you get this list right, so finally we came with the four stocks here. And the next question is how to allocate our uh, capital. So usually what I do is, I at a time I maintain only four stocks at any time. So I will not uh, trade more than four stocks at any time. So that so first let me create a breakout watch list. Usually I will post a screenshot to the group, right? So what I will do is I'll just create a breakout list. So this is a breakout of today's date. I can add it 0407 in 2021. And the stocks which I have done is breakout for these four stocks I have done. So Genesis, and so just have a name. So why we are keeping names is we will import them in a single shot here. So just I'll just add it as a description. That is up to, that's fine. And if you see the watch list is created, and go here and import. So add this four stocks, just enter, like you can enter same stock name and click enter, and again enter this another stock name and enter. You can enter the four stocks and click on import. So these four stocks will be imported to your watch list. Or same thing, if you want to do one by one, you can just add like a add a stock, and you can type the name and you can enter the price, what the price you have entered, and click on it. Anything is fine. So now I have added these four stocks also to my watch list. So I can watch them. This is my watch list added price. And like once the week is started, here we will see either gains or loss. We can see that. So this is how we can track them here. And the next question is how to position sizing. So what I will do is, I have a capital of 1 lakh. So I will just keep only, I will maintain only four stocks at a time. So I will have a equal a portion of amount for the stocks, and I will buy them, and I will hold at least when I get the 10 to 20 percentage, right? So 10 to, I will wait for 10 to 20 percentage, and once I get the 20 to 20 percentage, then I will exit it. For example, I want to see, yeah, this week I have bought all these four. So once I bought the stock, like my total capital is invested in only in these four. So I was waiting for my portfolio to run, like the total portfolio to come up with the 10 percentage. So this week I got this 10 percentage. So whenever I got this 10 to 15 percentage, I exit from all the stocks and entered. I will go with the new stocks. So like here we have these four stocks, right? So I will go with the next trade. I will go with these four stocks. So I will keep them until I get the gains, or if the SL hits, it will be out of my portfolio. So that's how I manage. And you can pick the trending sector using our sector analysis. So all the best for you guys, and I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our SS Tackles channel.